Do you remember les pronoms relatifs, the relative pronouns? Yes, there were 4 relative pronouns that we learnt. Do you remember them? They were qui, que, ou, and dont. These were the 4 relative pronouns. Now, this is an exercise for us to practice using these relative pronouns. Complétez avec les pronoms relatifs. So now you are going to tell me what do we fill in the first sentence. How do we find that out? We first read the sentence. Je cherche la boîte dash. Tu as prêté. Now, the word that needs to be filled in here is which or that. So, what we'll fill here is either qui or que. And how do we differentiate where to fill in qui and where to fill in que? The hint is after the blank, if there is a subject pronoun, we fill in, yes, we fill in que. After the blank, if we have a verb, then we fill in qui. So, after the blank, we have tu here. Tu is a subject pronoun. So, we fill in que. So, that is how we fill in the relative pronouns. The next sentence. Nous montrerons les photos dash nous avons pris. So, if you read the sentence, the word that needs to be filled in here is qui or que, that or which. So, now what is there after the blank? It is nous. Nous is a subject pronoun. So, when there is a subject pronoun after the blank, what do we fill in? Yes, it is que again. Now, moving on to the next sentence. Marie-Laure et notre tutrice dash vient de Nantes. Now, in this blank, what do we need to fill? We need to fill either qui or que, because in this sentence, we need to fill in either that or which. Now, after the blank, we have the word vient. Vient is a verb, right? It is the conjugated form of venir. So, vient. Now, when there is a verb after the blank, what do we fill in? It is qui. And finally, our last sentence. C'est le garage dash elle gare la voiture. Now, I have already taught you that when this blank has to indicate a place, then which of these 4 relative pronouns do we use? Yes, it is où. Où is the relative pronoun of place. In this sentence, this blank must denote the place, le garage. So, since we need to denote a place, we use où. So, have you understood why we are using où here? Because it is used to denote a place. So, this is how we use the relative pronouns. We have 4 relative pronouns: qui, que, où, and dont. And I hope you have understood where we use which pronoun.